I've been waiting for too long for my music to be heard. Know I'm destined to be great. Doesn't matter how much you hate. For this Niger where we die, we're still gonna be number one. It's only a matter of time. We go round this town, Niger. We go round this town, Niger. We go round this town, Niger. We are future of the music industry for Niger. No matter how they round, do they never fit in top. I'm how we don't tell when me I do the rhyme. Ask what they call, they go tell you no be lie. So don't think I just came out of the blues. I'm how I don't hustle, I don't pay my dues. And now I'm tired of walking in the same old shoes. I wanna be famous, rock bigger arenas, have a million people screaming entertainers. I said you what is I'm only no easy. Some people wanna put you down for no reason. For no reason. I've been waiting for too long for my music to be heard. Know I'm destined to be great. Doesn't matter how much you hate. For this Niger where we die, we're still gonna be number one. It's only a matter of time. We go round this town, Niger. We go round this town, Niger. We go round this town, Niger. We are future of the music industry for Niger. Talk money with me or I'ma see you later. Me I don't tell you to the suffer. That's why I hustle for my paper. Tired of being broke, tired of people wanting me to do free show. Tired of promoters telling me say I never blow. Tired of seeing the same artists performing every show. So it's a crazy world that we're living in, where nothing seems to be working. Mama used to say nothing good comes easy, so I'ma keep singing till all of you listen. I've been waiting for too long for my music to be heard. Know I'm destined to be great. Doesn't matter how much you hate. For this Niger where we die, we're still gonna be number one. It's only a matter of time. We go round this town, Niger. We go round this town, Niger. We go round this town, Niger.
Yo, this is ridiculous. Damn right, I'm sick of this industry monopoly. Sometimes I feel like quitting this, but I can't, cause this is my life and I'm living it to the fullest. So I pray for my mama to live to witness it. Streets be respecting us, the fans be requesting us. Tell me why the hell music promoters keep on stressing us. Cause we're low pro, so they be like no. Yeah, I'm on the ground like mines, but I was designed to blow. Every verse that I spit on any track is a death blow. Every producer that I met acknowledge my sick flow, but you never tend to listen till I'm disrespectful. So fuck you if you ain't riding like the logo on my polo. And I'm loco with it, my heart and tongue cold. Standing on my ground, then a pair of Manolos. Rappers in my chromosomes, the click is still so. Boys were showing the game was a for roll, fucking chokehold. Yeah, I raised it against stop. You would no feel like was hot, and the video was hot too. Yeah, I sit there trying to knock you. That's why I'm on this record, just to let you know I got you. Together we'll stop whoever endeavor to put a barricade on our path to a brighter day. I'm strapped up, let's renegade. I never been afraid, and if y'all think it's a game, then it's on. Let's play. What's up? What's up? Young Seth, what's up?
Ladies and gentlemen,
LB, come on.
you already know it's your favorite superstar, you dig? Renzi, aka Voice of the Future, aka Salad. Okay, man, we're gonna continue to the hustle, man. We're gonna hustle, we're gonna sing till they go hear us, till they go listen to us, till Baba goes say our time orange. Okay, watch out for the album. Watch out for the album. Album coming soon. Watch out for the album.